Hey mates, welcome to Tech Solutions, your tech guide. Do you want to install Docker on Ubuntu 20.04 Fossa? In this tutorial we will be installing Docker on Ubuntu Focal wisely and precisely. Let's begin. Open Terminal app on your Ubuntu. Do an apt update. You must be seeing we are on Ubuntu Focal. Install these required components before you can install Docker. Start with creating the keyrings directory and grabbing the Docker GPG key. Now add the Docker's official repository for Ubuntu Focal. Once added, do an apt update. You can install Docker now with this command. This may take a while. Please have patience during this. It's done. Docker is installed successfully. You can try running Docker's Hello World image. If you got this similar output, your Docker installation is successfully on your Ubuntu. Enjoy using it. Anything to ask? Comment it. Thanks for watching. Good day.